Even my mother, I cannot send her for ukwa. Don't give anybody ukwa until I come. You are laughing at. You are laughing. You are laughing. She will now go share food for you. Come. It's my wedding. Come, yeah. Shebi the ukwa is two coolers.
Yes.
Ukwa, two coolers, Abi.
Yes.
Listen to me. It's not everybody that will eat ukwa.
So how are we not going to serve?
Calm down. Tell your madam, please. I see one guy eating one big meat. That no ebuka.
But now serve yourself.
See, wait first. See, bed, no kele. No be everybody should give ukwa. The ukwa is for my club people. Anybody that come to you that I send him is a lie. Even my mother, I cannot send her for ukwa. Don't give anybody ukwa until I come. You are laughing at. You are laughing. You are laughing. You are laughing. Come. Onye nwa Fanta, nyamuna Coke. Onye nwa life, nyamuna Hero. Please. And then, by the way, how do you intend to share the food?
It's serve yourself that we are doing here. You come, you take the food that you want.
Serve me.
Serve yourself.
No, nature.
They are different delicacies.
I know you
Serve
came
yourself.
from Lagos. Listen to me. It's my wedding. Come up wedding. In Onitsha, serve yourself is not working. Come and tell her. If you do serve yourself, first line of Ganiago, somebody will carry stew put on top of it. Carry ofe egusi. He wants to. It's my wedding. It's my wedding. It's my wedding. See how you share the food. In short, share the food according to the phone the person is using. To know the big man and poor man. People that is using iPhone 12, Pro Max, iPhone 11, don't give them over. Give them plantain porridge. Samsung Galaxy, iPhone 10, iPhone 9, iPhone 8, give them also Nubu. Semo. People that are using iPhone 6 and take no fee, give them a bacha. You see all this? Anybody that is using itel, China phone, Alcatel, give them white rice. They should go and hustle for their own stew. Give them white rice. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Onye nwa Fanta, nyamuna Coke. Onye nwa beer, nyamuna Biko. I'm talking people are laughing. Do you know I'm the one wedding today? Please listen. You are hearing me, Abi? I'm talking, you are laughing. Share the food according to what I plan. Because people are looking very, very full. I'm going to calculate later. I'm going to call the chance.